Pjanic. And it's Roberto. Rabiot gets it back.
Concentration levels are very good, and so is the commitment. This game could yet yield a winner.
Chiesa battles to win it back.
Juventus really are almost trying to pass the ball through a brick wall at the moment. You can see the sense of anxiety has now shifted to the stands.
Roberto. Has he picked him out? It's a fabulous... And Messi! Oh, it's in! Save the best for last!
Well, when the game's played like that, it's made to look very simple. You know, I love watching football like this. Easy, effective, 1-2 and bang. Thanks very much.
Barcelona take the lead. Now it's just a question of holding on. And time is up. One goal settled it. A tense and exciting game that just got away. Would you summarise what we've seen today then, Jim?
It's a poor result. They offered very little goal threat, and it's the kind of unproductive performance that can drain confidence.